Mr. Niladri Dutta, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 4 in electrical engineering and All India rank of 5 in instrumentation engineering in the GATE 2022. Hearty congratulations, Niladri.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Niladri, first of all, you tell us what was your reason in attending these two papers?
Sir, the main reason was since already we have been allowed to give two papers in 1 year only. So I thought if even if I don't perform well in one exam, then I would have a backup so that I can keep it I can keep a backup, so I will be able to take MTech admission with that.
Yes. So mainly, so you are from which branch? Electrical branch, right? I believe.
I am from electrical only.
Yeah, you're basically from electrical branch because most of the syllabus is common except a few subjects. In instrumentation also, as a backup, you appeared in the instrumentation paper also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much is common between electrical and instrumentation?
Sir,
percentage wise.
Electrical core are not there in instrumentation, and
Okay.
mainly the electrical machines, only transformers and induction machine have been recently added, and power electronics and power systems are not there in instrumentation.
No, if you make a quantification, 60%, 70%, 80% like that. So how much the percentage is common between electrical and the instrumentation?
So roughly 80 to 85%.
Approximately 80, around 80%, right? So what is that extra that the electrical student has to study if he wants to take up instrumentation paper also?
Sir, actually, I didn't study anything extra. I
Yes.
just
No,
went
that is the,
with
no, that is the point actually I require. There's a point. So you have prepared basically electrical syllabus only.
Yes, sir.
So with the same electrical engineering syllabus preparation, you appeared the instrumentation paper also.
Right, sir.
So you did not prepare anything, the instrumentation core subjects.
No, sir.
Just with the electrical preparation itself, you are able to crack the instrumentation paper already a rank of 5. Yes.
Right, sir.
So this is an encouraging point for what you call electrical engineering students. I came to know same point from other students also. They are basically electrical engineering. They prepared electrical syllabus only, but they cracked instrumentation get paper also with a very good rank. So they are also saying the same points what you said. Okay, very good, Mr. Niladri. Please tell us which coaching program that you have availed from our ACE Engineering Academy.
Sir, I took the test series.
So yes, online test series you took, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when did you get enrolled in this?
Sir, I started in April only.
April.
When it was first
April
launched.
onwards, you started taking this test series. Niladri, in this ACE online test series, we have many what you call test papers there. We have subject wise, you have topic wise, you have combination of subjects also there, and also full length mock tests are there. So, at what interval you used to take this test? What was your approach towards this?
Sir, as soon as I completed my subjects, I used to give the part test and subject wise test. And when I got to completed few subjects bundled with each other, I gave the multi-subject test. And few tests were also second series means there were two series, one subject wise 1 and 2. So first I used to give when I completed my syllabus, and second series I used to give for revision.
Right.
And
Okay,
finally,
fine.
last 2 months I gave the full test.
Acha, in the last months means November and December?
Yeah, sir. From December, I started from December.
Okay, December onwards, so you took that full length mock test.
Full test. Yes, sir.
Okay. In our years full length mock test, rank wise, where you used to stand, Mr. Niladri?
Sir, in full test, I remembered that I was mostly in top 10 only.
Top 10.
And
right.
subject wise, I don't actually remember.
Subject wise, not necessary. I am asking the full length mock test. You used to be the top 10. in the final exam also in electrical branch you got all India fourth rank, right? So please tell us how this AS online test series that experience helped you in getting such a good rank in electrical engineering in the gate paper, in the gate exam.
Sir, one thing about ACE test series was that the mostly every test was quite different from one another, because in one test you will be having very easy questions, and in other tests you will be having very tough questions. So it was very helpful to prepare you for every kind of situation. So that has also helped me, because this year the paper was a little on the easier side compared to last year. So it means many times we predict like how will be the exam and all. So if we go without any pre-assumption and just give your best, so that will be the best thing to do, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. Well said, Anish, Niladri. Niladri, may I know about your educational background, your college name, where you are, I mean, your college name, and when did you pass out, first of all?
Sir, I am a third year student and I am doing my BTech from IIEST Shibpur in Howrah.
Okay, very good, very good. So you are pursuing third year now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's very remarkable achievement, Mr. Niladri Datta. I once again congratulate you, third year student. No, this we had seen earlier also, way back in 2005. That time also we saw third year students getting All India first rank. That time there was eligibility for third year students.
Yes, sir.
After that eligibility was taken out by the IITs, and recently it was again introduced that eligibility. Anyway, so
Very
you are something extraordinary, Mr. Niladri Datta. So being in third year, getting such a All India fourth rank electrical engineering, really remarkable achievement. Mr. Niladri, you said you are from IIT Shivpur,
Sir, IIEST.
IIS, right. Okay. Uh, Actually, when did you start a serious preparation for this gate examination, Mr. Niladri?
Sir, mainly I started in third semester, because that's when we first get to know our departmental subjects. In the first year, we do the common syllabus,
Yes.
basic subjects. In third semester, we start the main electrical engineering subject. So my basic idea was to align my gate preparation with my college
So
studies
you are
only, so
right.
that
Yeah,
yes,
what I understand, you were a second year of a BTech and
yes,
gate
sir, second,
preparation went hand in hand, right?
yes, sir.
Absolutely, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this gate preparation might have been useful for you even in that university examination also.
Yes, sir. It was very useful.
Okay, okay. Niladri, because you practice this what you call gate questions and the syllabus what you prepared in the second year. At the same time, you are also having that university syllabus. There must be some hectic what you call preparation and all. So how could you manage all this? Where you derive that energy and enthusiasm for this?
Sir, the enthusiasm was why I started the gate preparation, because I wanted to get into IIT or ISC, to do my masters. So that what drive me that time.
Yes,
And
that was the main driving force behind it.
yes, sir.
Okay, that's a very good. But you must be having hectic schedule, right? So how could you spare time for all this?
Sir, schedule was not that hectic because we were having online semester, so commutation time was already reduced. There was no commuting and all.
Mm,
So, in fact, I had quite free time, spare time to do some pursue my hobbies and all. So,
good. So great. I think you didn't feel any pressure at all with this Get Extra syllabus. It
no,
became a part of your regular curriculum.
yes,
Right?
sir.
You were having the online classes. So courtesy this Corona pandemic condition, it helped some preparation also easily, right?
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
was the positive side, at least
Okay.
from me.
It was a blessing for you, right? People for the GATE aspirants, etc. Nilati, seriously, how many months that you have spent on this preparation for the GATE preparation? Seriously,
Seriously, sir, I would say last 6 months.
last six
That
months.
time I left everything, hobbies and all, no
Okay.
movies, nothing. Just my gate preparation, and rest of the time was devoted to college assignments, class test, viva, that all we have. So
Oh, right. In this preparation, Mr. Niladri, normally students, when I interact, they say that, sir, I prepared long notes, again, a short notes for revision purpose and all. What was your approach in this preparation? Did you prepare any such notes?
sir, when I studied from whatever material I had, I first prepared my long notes. That that was the only notes I had. Whenever I got stuck in some question or anything, I just went through the derivations, practiced it with a blank copy, with my notes closed, not just that I'm seeing and copying. That way, we are not able to recall very well during online tests and all. And then I also prepared one mistake copy. That was when I back in April only, when I started test series. So that mistake copy was very helpful during my preparation, and I still remember that on the day of examination too, my final gate examination, I just went through that copy once and just recalled what are the silly mistakes and all I was committing during those online tests, and gave the examination. So
Yes, yes.
main notes and mistake copy. That was the only thing I had.
Yes, yes. This point I came to know from a few more toppers also. So they're also saying that they prepared one full running notes and what you call one short notes. Those were having I'm talking about, and they also prepared one small notes that contains exclusively what you call the areas where they did mistakes in taking this mock tests and all. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So those points will be very useful. Whatever you mention in the mistake notes will be very useful when you go for revision work, etc. And
Yes,
this is
sir.
one good point. I think all the aspirants who watch this video, they can also make a what you call a small copy on those mistakes so that you can focus on them. You can rectify those mistakes so that you will not repeat those mistakes. This is one point, good point. Niladri Dutta shared with us. Niladri, in your electrical, there are many subjects. Did you go with any specific sequence while preparing? Otherwise, randomly you have prepared.
Sir, yes, sir. Sequence was also very important because there are some subjects which require the knowledge of the previous subjects, like signal and system, network theory. These are the basic subjects which everyone needs to prepare.
Niladri,
And
just one
mathematics
second.
is
Niladri, one second. Because you are the topper, that too you are able to crack this in third year. Can you share through this video what is that sequence that you followed?
okay. So I will state from starting to last. Network theory, signal and system, analog electronics, electrical machines, digital electronics, control system, EMFT, measurement, power electronics, power system.
Right. So power and control.
Mathematics was prepared in first year only because
Yeah, yeah.
from starting we are doing that.
Okay. What about did you prepare additionally this aptitude part also?
Sir, aptitude I didn't require actually. Just I gave the test series only. From test series I was getting good marks.
Okay.
And yes, I did the PYQ of aptitude.
Okay, right. So previous year's question bank you used that. I
Yes, sir.
think the previous year's question bank you might also use it for your regular preparation of technical subjects also.
Yes, sir. Technical for every subject I use PYQ,
Yeah, that is very useful
and
in.
they
So the
are
sequence,
always the reference.
the sequence what you have said just now of your electrical engineering subjects, I think that is one of the best what you call sequence what you have said, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I felt comfortable with that because
Okay.
when we study the basic subject, we will be able to tackle the harder ones.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Niladri, you said so many subjects there, starting from networks to power transmission and power system. Among these, which are the two easiest subjects in your view?
But for me, network theory and control systems,
Easy
these are
subject.
the easiest.
Yeah, yeah. Many people say the same subjects. And which two subjects that you felt somewhat hard relatively?
Well, the two that I felt harder and I was quite having quite difficulty that to recall them actually, to retain them. Power systems and electrical machines.
Electrical machines.
They
Yes.
are really vast and
Yeah.
retaining them for longer times is quite a
The one
challenge.
main drawback with that is you have vast syllabus in those two subjects, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Do you search anything to your what you call other aspirants of the gate examination? How to what you call carry out those two lengthy subjects like a power system and power machines? Any specific points you want to say?
I would say a revision. That the two important things that helped me were revision. I revise very frequently, and not only just opening your notes and just reading them. Practice more questions, then consult your notes and give tests. Continuously repeat these process. You will be able to tackle them very well.
Okay. Right.
Just consistency is very important.
Yes. That is very important point. You require to have some consistent preparation for
Yes, sir.
right. And any other point that you want to share with your other aspirants of the gate examination apart from those points already you said?
So nothing I can recall
Yeah.
actually.
Anyway, no,
That's all I
already you
did
have
for my
given useful
preparation.
points. You have given that what you call earlier you
Yes, sir.
said
That's all I did.
of the subjects, and you said consistency and the previous question bank and all. I think these points, if the aspirants keep in mind and work towards it, definitely will also be successful.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. One more thing I can recall that when in December last only, I was getting like I had very few mock tests remaining actually. The frequency which I was giving completed almost many of them. So what I did was I picked the exact question papers only, instrumentation full papers, gate papers, and gave them as a test. So they were very well, means they helped me very well to tackle the main gate examination.
Right. Niladri, one more point. In the last 1 week before the actual examination, what you did in your preparation for
Sir, I
preparation?
was, yes, sir. So in from the test series, I had few questions picked up, few very hand-picked questions, which were the challenging ones and which required the knowledge of quite means various topics. So I practiced them and I revised the weak areas which I used to forget very frequently from those mistake copy I previously mentioned. And I didn't give any test, just took the just noticed those mistakes and gave the exam.
Right. Good.
Didn't
And
burden myself actually that much in the last week.
yes, that's good. One more, Niladri. On the day of the actual gate examination, did you follow any specific strategy, like first technical, then aptitude or aptitude technical, first run, second run? That's what many students they share with us. What was your strategy on the day of gate examination?
Okay, so actually strategy was already made during those mock tests which I gave in the last 2 months. So my strategy was just to pick the easy questions first from aptitude only. Aptitude comes first during the examination. So from question number 1 to 65, I will be visiting every question. Whichever I find easy, I will be solving them. That was the first round of solving. I used to complete this first round around half an 1.5 hour,
Good.
means half the time of the total examination. In main exam also that happened. Then I used to visit the mark for review questions that I felt I will be able to solve, but they will be requiring much more time. So I solved them, and finally the ultimately hard questions that actually boost your rank,
Okay.
means if you are in top 50, then you can get to top 10 or top 20 like that. So finally I solved them, and that was the best strategy according to me because it didn't waste any time, it didn't put any extra burden on me, and that actually I was be able to give my best during those 3 hours.
Very good, Niladri. Very good, very good, very good. I think this is one of the useful point the aspirant should observe. Of course, many toppers also they also for the same strategy. First round attacking those easy questions, Second round means those review marked questions. In the final round, if at all some tough questions are again trying them. Okay, good. Uh, One more, Mr. Niladri. Uh, any question that you have left over?
Yes, sir. This year, theoretical questions were means in large number compared to previous years. So I left 3 theoretical questions of 1 mark each and 1 numerical of 2 marks. So I attempted 95 marks.
Okay, 95 marks. Electrical engineering,
Yes.
fetched you fourth rank, right?
Yes, sir. So
What was
not nine. I didn't get 95. I got 86. 89. Sorry, 89.
89 marks. Okay, 89 marks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was the gate score for the fourth rank?
So 975.
975. Very good. Very good, Niladri. You proved yourself. I think your strategy will be one of the useful one for the, especially for the students who are pursuing the third year and final year. And also, many students who come to us, they will be asking the same question. Sir, I'm pursuing second year, third year. Can I start preparation now? Can I crack the gate exam like this? I think yours is one of the best example for those aspirants. So they
Thank
get
you, sir.
some what you call inspiration from you. They make preparation and they try to score good marks in the examination, right? Very good, Niladri. Thank you very much for sharing your valuable time with us and sharing those points through this video. I once again congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.